sometimes I falls in one big potty.
Really?
And so we get out of one potty.
Really?
That's the thing that I does.
Oh, really? And how did you get out of the potty?
That's how I get out one this big pot.
Really?
Yeah.
And how did you fall in that potty?
Because I found the potty.
What kind of potty was it?
The people's potties.
The people's potty?
Yeah. And so I found it. And then so I got out.
Really? Did you say anything when you fell in that potty?
No.
No? Was anyone nearby to tell?
No.
Were you all by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh.
And Mom,
What?
sorry, told I that needs help.
You did?
Yeah, and so I was going to the potty and then sorry that needs help and so I found the potty.
Oh my goodness.
And so I pooped. And then potty and peed in potty. And the poop went on the little part. Some little poop came on a little part of the bathroom.
Really?
Yeah, and so I got off it.
Oh my goodness. And then what did you do?
Got out and you put some dry pants on me at the kid's house.
Oh, really? And then was everything all better?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, that's good.
Maui.
Are you a kitty?
Maui, Maui.